Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the brand new sting petal seed in Grow a Garden. So at this BCB event, several new seeds have been added to the game, and one of them is the sting petal seeds like this. And to get it, you will need to open the Hive seed pack. The Hive seed pack that looks like this. This honey hive seed pack that looks like this. This sting petal seed is possible rewards from this pack, but keep in mind that it's completely based on luck, and you can get this seed pack in two ways. First, you can purchasing them from the seed shop like this, but you need to wait until it restock on the shops. And the second, you can earning them as a rewards from the new Labs Dungeon Battle event. And since these seeds are random, make sure to collect and open as many Hive seed packs as possible to increase your chance of getting these sting petal seeds. This is what these sting petal seeds looks like. And once you get one, just simply plant it in your garden and wait for it to grow. And when it finally blooms, this is what the fully grown sting petal looks like. And okay, that's everything you need to know about getting the sting petal seed in Grow a Garden. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.